forgetting to add stuff, so went to Harbor Freight to pick this up. Make it a whole lot easier to move this transmission around. So let's go pick this transmission up. Alright, so got my shit back. Now I got to show that I got a big back. Alright, let's get this out this car. I only got the shirt here. I don't really care. License plate shit don't mean nothing to me, but I don't want to get it caught up on this little metal lock piece. So, let's get this motherfucker out of here. All right. Definitely gonna have to figure a way to get you out of here. Because if you went in.
This is not a dream.
All right, bitch. Whew. Big back, big back.
Big back, big back, big back, big back. Yeah, my back is loaded up with snacks and different foods. Squeeze into this tiny shirt, my big back has no room.
Back, big back. Loaded with all the snacks that I need. Big back, big back. Whew. Lord have mercy. So I'll also throw in a picture. It was like a pump or something. My center support was like putting a gouge in it.
And we keep track of what you.
Yeah. No, I see. Yeah. Okay. But here's all the old parts. Clutches. He said these was a little burnt up. I don't know what a. Hold on, let me get it in there. I don't know what a good clutch and a bad clutch look like to begin with, because transmission ain't my lane. But all my old stuff. Didn't take the pan. Shit, I don't need it. But I know for a fact this is mine because of this little residue stuff right here. So yeah, the bands is in here. Yeah, there we go. For all them haters and they just know it all Facebook groups, ain't nobody gonna rebuild your transmission if you supply the kit and blah blah blah. And then somebody did. Now I don't know if this is a bad omen or not, but 6, 6, 2 and 4 make 6, 6, 6, 6. Going into Black Jesus. I don't know if it's a sign or what. Maybe it's a sign that I'm going to be raising hell.